Good morning. Today's the big day we've been building for, Wednesday, September 17th. And we'll see how the day plays out. So we do have some economic news. We have housing starts. We have building permits, so a couple of things related to real estate. Those numbers have already been released. They were down slightly. This shouldn't have too much of an impact, except everything is under a microscope a little bit brighter, a little bit more scrutinized now than it otherwise might be, because we have concern, have we waited too long? Is the economy in some trouble? And so even a little thing like this might be heightened. The big thing, of course, 2 hours before market close, the Fed is going to make their rate decision. Almost certainly it will be a quarter-point decrease. Initially, I think the markets will react up, but I do think we'll see a lot of volatility in the final 2 hours. And I think the tone and what is answered by the Fed during the press conference, that'll begin with an hour and a half before market close. What's said in that press conference will probably have a bigger impact on the direction than the actual decision. So we'll see how that plays out. Tomorrow we get jobless claims, and the previous jobless claims were much, much higher than expected. That's a lot of what prompted what we've seen happen over this past week. It is forecast to be down. We'll see. Manufacturing forecast to be up a little bit. Again, we'll see. These are all heightened. Finally, on Friday, we'll have one of the Fed presidents speak. This again will most likely receive a lot more attention than it otherwise would. So we will see how things play out. Let's take a quick look at the markets. So the S&P 500 futures, you can see we had our gap up, and since then we dribbled a little bit higher. Yesterday ended up down a teeny bit. Here we are trading into the beginning of the market. We'll see how things turn out. Again, I would expect a fairly calm market until 2 hours before market close. Good luck out there. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye for now.